Portrait Pro is an advanced portrait editing software that leverages artificial intelligence to provide powerful yet user-friendly tools for enhancing and retouching photos. Designed specifically for portrait photographers, Portrait Pro offers a range of features that allow users to improve their images with minimal effort. The software's intuitive interface and AI-driven tools make it accessible to both amateur and professional photographers. One of the standout features of Portrait Pro is its automatic facial recognition technology, which accurately identifies facial features and applies enhancements based on predefined settings. Users can adjust these settings to achieve the desired look, including smoothing skin, removing blemishes, whitening teeth, and enhancing eyes. The software also offers a variety of presets and sliders for more precise control over individual adjustments, allowing users to fine-tune their edits to perfection. Portrait Pro includes advanced tools for reshaping facial features, such as adjusting jawlines, slimming faces, and changing the shape of the nose. These tools, combined with the software's ability to enhance skin tones and textures, make it easy to create natural-looking, retouched portraits. Additionally, Portrait Pro supports batch processing, allowing users to apply consistent edits to multiple photos simultaneously, saving time and effort. The software also includes tools for adjusting lighting and shadows, adding makeup, and even changing the background of a portrait. These features provide photographers with a comprehensive set of tools to enhance their images and achieve professional quality results. Regular updates and a supportive user community ensure that Portrait Pro remains a valuable tool for portrait photographers, offering the latest advancements in AI-driven photo editing technology.